Sony has just released the A75, and it's a huge shift for creators. But for FX2 owners, it's tough news. Today, we're breaking down why the A75 might make the FX2 obsolete, and what that means for your workflow. The A75 comes with a partially stacked 33-megapixel sensor, shoots 30 fps in 14-bit RAW, and handles 4K up to 120 fps. Sure, the 4K 120 is cropped, but 4K 60 is clean and full frame. It has Sony's Bion's XR2 processor, which powers incredible autofocus, dynamic stabilization, heat management, and battery life. For hybrid shooters, this camera does almost everything you need: photos, video, streaming, or content creation. The FX2 was essentially an A74 in an FX body, perfect for long shoots thanks to its fan and zero overheating. It was reliable for interviews, podcasts, and behind-the-scenes content. But the A75 does almost everything better. My FX2 still works great, but I can't help wishing I'd waited for the A75. It's the true do-it-all camera. About Open Gate. It's a neat feature that lets you crop 9:6 portions of your footage, but for most creators, it's not essential. It gives extra resolution headroom, but the majority of projects won't need it. The A75 still covers almost all shooting scenarios without relying on Open Gate. So, while the FX2 isn't a bad camera, the A75 is the camera I wish I had. Sony isn't alone anymore. Canon, Nikon, and Lumix are catching up fast, giving us plenty of great options.